Hello guys, so this is a start. I didn't install the Dolby S board yet, but everything else is connected. So let's see how it performs. So type 1 tape shows type 1. Okay. Rewind. Quiet and quick now. Fast forward. Works. Playback. Works. We have some levels. And we can start record. Okay, everything works here. Let's see different tape type. You see how quick now it opens and responds. So type 2. Close. Type 2. Okay. Device. Like it's when we will close the body, it would not be heard, like probably at all. So quiet and quick. So it separates very good. Let's see other side. Okay, we have levels, we have type 2. That's great. Let's see type 4. TDK MA. And we have type 4 properly defined. Same quick response. We have some levels. I'm not sure what test tapes, there may be some recordings. And finally, let's see levels. Let's see like music recording. Yes, we have levels, everything works. Good. Now I will check without Dolby for now. Like I will try to record and see if it starts recording on type 2 and type 4 tapes. And then we will go from there. Thanks for your attention. I meet you in the next part. Let me prepare for recording and I will see how it goes. Bye bye.